okay, leading into something stressful, I don't think people listening to this, if they're not competing, it's we have other stressful things that we do in our lives. Maybe it's a public talking event. Maybe it's, dealing with your social anxiety and going to a party. Maybe it's like signing up to the CrossFit gym or the training facility that you've been scared to join and you're stepping in there for the very first time. It's like these waves of anxiety, these waves of fear, these waves of self-doubt that kind of hit you. It's unrealistic to think they're not going to be there. Like those things are going to come when you put yourself out there to do something hard. Those things are going to come. Like it's totally normal as part of the process. But again, just when they do come, just asking yourself that question: is this fact or is this fiction? Is it something in my control? Is it something outside my control? And just letting go. It doesn't mean they're not going to come though. Those things are going to come. And speaking to someone like Lee, it's like I said to us, like these are going to come every day, every hour, until the moment you step on that competition floor for your first workout. And like everyone says, you get that first one done and like it will change. Like the fact that you've just been out there, you've done it, you'll realize that all the stories you've created in your head, actually none of it matters. At the end of the day, you just got to show up, be present, give your best effort, create a strategy. You got someone in your corner and who's been there, done this thing just like you have, and 100 more times over. Like you've done everything you could possibly do now. Now it's just another Saturday test at the process programming, doing it with your friends and working out. It's no different to that. But I think a big part of that as well is that when you're, so a lot of people lean into this idea where it's like, okay, I just got to get that first event done. I've just got to get, or whatever the thing is, I just got to get it done, and then I'll be okay. But if we're not leaning in to the thoughts that are coming in our mind in the lead up to it, we could be burning and wasting so much energy, so many resources just by worrying about this thing and not asking ourselves those questions: fact, fiction, control, uncontrollable. And what happens that we get to game day, we've got nothing left. We've got no resources left to actually compete. And so, I said, like, whilst we know that after that first event, you're going to be feeling great, it's important that you do spend some time thinking about these thoughts, and let go. Because if you can let go, it means you're going to have a lot more resources and energy available on game day to actually do the thing you're here for, which is to get out there and have some fun, compete, give it your best effort. Sure. And at the end of the day, why do we do this shit? Because we're going to learn something about ourselves. That's really it. It's not about the outcome. It's another unique opportunity in life to learn something.